Hello everybody, welcome back with another video. In today's video, we will show you how to map a domain name for your customer website. Because we are running WP Ultimo v2, that's why no domain reseller add-on is available just yet. If you are interested for WP Ultimo v1, please contact us. So after log into your client area, you can manage every aspect of your network. Let's log into your network admin dashboard. Simply go to your network domain and click on Login. You can find your login credentials in the email that we send you during registration. Once you are in your dashboard, you can go to WP Ultimo tab, hover your mouse, and you will see a bunch of options. Go to Setting and select Integration. Now, you can select to integrate with cPanel. This is going to help you add the domain to your cPanel automatically. Click on Activate and it will take you to the next step, where you will have to enter the configuration credentials. You can find your cPanel credentials in the email we send you initially during registration. Just simply copy and paste it here, and click the button to add it automatically. It will then take you to the next step, where it shows you the testing of your integration. That's it. Everything seemed to be working properly. We can try to add the domain for the customer now. Simply go to your site management. We can log into the customer website and add it for them, or they can add the domain themselves in their admin dashboard. You will see the domain section here. Simply click to add domain. The system will now prompt an instruction with the IP address. We need to copy the IP address. Click on the next step, then go to your domain provider. As you can see, this is my domain name, and I am currently managing the DNS settings. Let's add a new record, give the record a name, and paste in the IP address. Make sure to choose the TTL as custom, and enter 600 seconds. Click Save to update DNS record. Okay, DNS record added successfully. We can go back to client website and add the subdomain name. You can choose this domain name as primary, or just add it as an alias for your website. Okay, so the system is checking for the DNS and adding this domain to your network right now. Please allow 5 to 10 minutes for the DNS and HTTPS to fully propagate it. That's it, you guys, and that is how you integrate your network with cPanel to automatically map domain name with WP Ultimo. Alright you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I only show you just one network demo. We still have about 8 beautiful SaaS networks available on SaasTank.io. So if you're interested, please go here to check out these demo. I would really appreciate it if you guys choose to build your SaaS network with SaasTank.io. Thank you so much, and have a great day.